Good evening. This is my Savers haul from today. So it's a very small haul. Altogether, I spent $27. And this is my bag. Remember, Savers is just another one of those mini stores where they no longer supply bags and you have to buy your own. It's a going trend, because of just like, I don't know, conservation. I don't know. Like the Disney store, you no longer get plastic bags. There's a couple other places that are like that. I can't think of off the top of my mind. So Savers no longer has plastic bags. They have brown paper bags that you can buy for a dime. So now I have my own bag. My husband got me this somewhere a couple years ago. It rolls into like a ball that's smaller than my hand. And see how big it expands? Definitely bigger than the typical ones that the grocery store sells. Here's the brand. And I love it. I actually wish I had more, but I think someone sent it to him as a sample. We can't figure out how to get more, but look at that. It's a pretty big bag. And so anyway, let's see. I got this box of envelopes for $3.99. I got this for my junk journaling. I just thought it was cool. And then, let's see, they actually had 4 of these. I really had to resist the urge from buying all 4. I didn't need all 4, but I don't even know that I need this, but I'm sure I'll find a use for these envelopes. And they're like speckled, collared. I just thought that was cool. And then, let's see, Robert found this Thanksgiving book for me. It's an old library version. It's from the 70s. Look, it even has the original library card filled out. 73, oh my god. This is like before I was even born. So that is pretty cool. And just look at this. So, don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Probably leave as is because it's in pretty good condition. And then, let's see, I got this tray for resale. It's Florida, one of those travel souvenir plates from the 70s and 80s. I do pretty good with stuff like this, souvenir stuff. I do pretty good with it, so I pick it up when it's reasonably priced. $1.99 is very reasonably priced. You know those like travel ceramic plates, those state plates? I do really well on those too, but Savers like raise their prices to like $6.99, which I usually sell them for around $10. So definitely, like, if you find them for $1, it's worth it, but not $6.99. And Ollie's gonna come say hi. I shut the door so he couldn't get in. Apparently I didn't shut it well enough. He pushed the door open. You leaving? Are you leaving? Look at that. He's gonna fit through that door. Yep, squeezed right through that door. All right, bye, Ollie. Okay. This is a vintage Care Bear. I do actually collect stuff like this, of course, because I'm 80s toy hunter, but I did get this for resale because I believe I already have this one. And then this is an index box, $2.99. It's a bit high, but it did have cards in it, and I got this for my junk journaling. Mini plush, I got this for resale. Anything Disney, I can't say anything Disney. It has to be kind of unique because like Mickey, like if it was a plain old Minnie Mouse, I wouldn't have bought it. But since it's Minnie Mouse wearing a Halloween costume, I bought it. Like Mickey, just plain Mickey doesn't do that well. But I've mentioned it before. If it's a Disney character that is not as mainstream, like they do very well. So anyway, the only reason I got her was because she was Halloween and she was only $1.99. I don't buy as much plush anymore at my Savers. I'm surprised this was even $1.99 because most of the plush now is $3.99 or $6.99. Like there was a whole bunch of Build-A-Bears I wanted, but they were all like $6.99. I got this Charizard. This is for me, I'll be honest. Totally for me. I'm obsessed with Pokemon right now. I will eventually sell it. That's what I do. I usually buy plush for me and get bored with it and eventually sell it. Or not that I get bored with it, I run out of space. See this stack of plush? Oh yeah, I have to sort through that and sell most of them. Because it's too much, it's overrunning my office. And I just don't like the cluttered look too much. Like I don't mind it when it's on my shelves, but I don't like it when it starts overtaking the floor. So most of those plush I will be selling. So I got Charizard. And also I just don't see, this is like a really nice plush. Not like the arcade prizes, you know, which are kind of cheaper, but this is really nice. So, and it was only $1.99. So I guess they have a new employee who prices a lot better. And then the T-Tar, is that, I don't remember what his name is, but he's a very good fighter in the game. $2.99. That's funny. Oh yeah, they're both $2.99. So yeah, keeping it for now, but yes, eventually I will probably sell it. And then of course a pound puppy. I can sell these all day long. And let's see, of course I'm selling it because right there, see that one right there? That's this one. So don't need to keep it. I already have it. He's for sale. And then, see, I only got a couple items. It just wasn't a huge haul. And I got this kitty book for me. It's not been written. Wait, it has been written on. What is this? Someone wrote a bunch of phone numbers in it. That's fine. I'll cover that up. I just, you know, I got cats. I thought it was cute. I'll do something with it. So, a couple things to keep, most to resell. And that was it. There just wasn't a lot of savers. I will list clothes, but I'm not one of those people that goes through all the clothing racks. I pretty much just, currently, I look at the toys and I look at like the paper stuff. So that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.